There's a trick that I have seen it work, so you need to be using it. And you can see here in my positions, I have been trying to use it just in here now. As you can see, I have not lost any single trade using that trick. Hello there, welcome to this tutorial where I show you how you can trade over and under. So in this tutorial, we'll be focusing on how you can select your digits. There's something you need to be checking, and this is the last digit. So when you predict over and under, you need to say, let's say that you have chose 5 as your center. So when you predict these numbers, you will win a trade. That is, when you predict under, you will be predicting that the last digit that will appear, which is here, will be between these digits. But when you predict over, then you mean these are the digits that will appear there. So this is a trick that I want to show you. When you are looking at these numbers, make sure that most of the numbers, let's say that you want to predict the under, make sure that most of the numbers, let's say that about 4 or 3 numbers have very less percentage. Like here, we only have 7 and 8, which have very low percentages. So here, I will not trade here. I just open another market and look for one that has that conditions. So here, you can see here we have at least 3 numbers which have very low percentages. So I want to go there back, which have low percentages, as you can see there, but they keep changing. So if they change the market. So here, if I try to trade here, I will be just waiting for this to come on this side, and then I just enter the market immediately. And make sure you edit your ticks to 2 or 3 ticks. Make sure you edit them, because if you place on one tick, it will go on the other side. So here, if I wanted to place, I just wait for it to come to 9 or 7 that way, and then I just enter. So let me wait, and then I can just enter there. So it is moving very fast. So I lost that one. Okay, let me try and see. This market is moving very fast. Let me go to a market that is moving slow. So for a market that is moving very fast, make sure that you choose 3 ticks. But for a slow market, just use 2 ticks. So here I will be using over, because as you can see here, we have a lot of numbers that have a low percentage. The reason why I choose a lot of number with a low percentage is because these numbers end up balancing, and you will try and see for yourself. There is no number that can reach 5% here. It will just end up at 8 or 7 at the end. So I just wait for it. Let me see here, because I cannot see something that I need to see here. There's something I'm not seeing there. So I just use the chart to see. So let me use the chart to see. So I just look for the last number, and then I execute my trade. So it is over. Let me see. Yeah, let us wait for that and see what happens. So you see, I won that one. So the trick here is just look for numbers that have a low percentage. Don't forget that one, because if you forget that one, you will end up losing here. And I have seen when you are trading using Chrome, it is a bit different. I see it is appearing now. So make sure when you are not seeing this percentage, the one that you need, just change to another market, you will see it. So this is a high winning strategy that I have discovered. And if you don't have an account, please create using the link in the description. And then there's something you need to remember. Also remember to set ticks to 3 or 2. When you set to 1, there's something that happens. There's a delay when you are entering a market. So setting 2 ticks helps you to recover on that delay. So make sure you set it to 2 ticks or 3. Don't set it to 1 tick. You will end up losing most of the time. And just like this video, create an account if you don't have one, subscribe, and if you have a question, just leave it in the description. I will help you out.